Hey, there you are. It's time to do an ignition tune-up on this '06 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to be using a special tool from Muller Coops. It's a flexible spark plug installer tool that maybe you haven't seen before. If not, stick with me. We'll check it out. For years now, I've been starting spark plugs with a rubber hose like this one. It gives me confidence to know that I can start the threads without cross-threading and stripping out the aluminum head. A couple issues that I've run across though is that it's hard to find a straight hose, so it's kind of wonky screwing it in this way. Also, you've got to have more than one hose because you've got different size spark plugs. And when I go to clean up after I'm done with a job, this is what I see on the bench, and sometimes it ends up in the trash because it looks like some of the other hoses that I've taken off and that have already been replaced. So then I have to find another hose to make a tool out of it. So I found this. First off, it looks a lot like my hose, but it's bright green, so it looks more like a tool, less like trash. This will go back in my toolbox and I won't throw it away. Second, it's flat. I can twist a spark plug and it's not flopping all over the place, although it is still flexible, so I can get around an object and into a tight area, and I can turn it this way. So it's more of a universal tool. It's got a small hole and a large one for different size spark plugs. So this is all I need to start spark plugs. I can get rid of this. So this is the Muller Coops 651001. You can buy one for about $15 to $20 depending on where you go. I've included an Amazon affiliate link down in the description. You can check that out if you want to buy one. Let's go over to the car and see how this works. All right, a new NGK Iridium spark plug. Remember, this has two holes, so the larger hole for this particular plug is going to be what we need on this tool. So I'm going to install it into the number 1 cylinder. Being careful not to smash into any of the sides, and then I can just twist it in. It's given me no resistance at all, so I know it's not going to be cross-threading. It's impossible. And now it's actually bottomed out, so the tool it can't turn the porcelain anymore, so now I just pull it off and that's it. So the spark plug is installed all the way down to the bottom. I am 100% confident that it's not cross-threaded, and I can finish torquing it down with the socket. Just going to go ahead and install the rest of these spark plugs, and then we can torque them down. Just carefully put it down into the tube and start that thread. This tool really positively holds on that spark plug, and you can hear it. The threads are dry, so it's squeaking on its way down, but it's holding on until that plug reaches bottom. Now it's bottomed out. Muller Coops actually says that you're only supposed to be able to start the first thread with this tool, but as you can see, I've installed the spark plug all the way down to the bottom, and now all I have to do is get the torque wrench and torque these up to spec. Well, that's it. It's a pretty simple tool, but it gives me peace of mind for when I'm installing a spark plug into a tough to reach spot. What's your go-to ignition tool? Let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.